Good morning, student. As we earlier we have learnt about physiographic division of India and Brazil, drainage system of India and Brazil. Why we find that two countries comparison is better for the student? Because it was emphasized that next textbook must be contain at least two countries that shows the comparison. So here the chosen two countries of India and Brazil for class 10th in geography. Okay. So today we are going to learn about India and Brazil's related to the climate. How they are differentiate between climate. First of all, we are going to learn about Brazil. Three features which define the Brazil's geography, sorry. First of all, the Amazon basin. Secondly is a tropical savanna region. And thirdly is a Brazil highland. I can show you from here that this is called the Amazon basin. This is the tropical savanna region. And this one is the coastal land. This one is the Brazilian highland. Okay. So, Amazon basin receives world's largest rainfall in the northern Brazil. These are called the Amazon basin, and this receives world's largest rainfall in the Amazon basin. This is, see this area, it is completely covered with the greenery, which receives largest rainfall here, the northern Brazil it is called. Now we'll go through the second part, which one is the savanna region. This one is the savanna region, this part, and it is also have the same thing, where we can see here the next slide. This one, where is the savanna region, the adventurous agriculture practices, large scale amount of practices here. Okay. Now the thirdly is the Brazilian highland. The Brazilian highland is a narrow strip of the land between the mountains and the coasts, are the home to the majority of the country's 197 million of people. Most of the country economic activities occur from this region. It is very important region. See, Rio de Janeiro, Sao Paulo, Santos are existing here. This is the Rio de Janeiro, how it is coastal part of the country, but it is well situated and well populated as well. Now we'll go through with many questions by this pic. So go through many questions which we are going to solve, but you have to recall all the things which I am going to learn from this picture. Okay, students. First question, see here I have mentioned isotherm, which is going to be here in the question sheets. Considering the isotherm of Brazil, what is the average range of temperature in Brazil? First question is here. Consider the isotherm of Brazil. What is the average range of the temperature in Brazil? This line we call isotherm line. See, this line we call isotherm line. What is the average temperature? What is the question? What is the average range of temperature in Brazil? What is here? We can say in the northern part 28 degrees Celsius, or in the southern part 18 degrees Celsius. Okay, class? Next question is the in which area does it rain more? In which area does it rain more? Here you can see in the grid that 3000 milliliter area is the darkest blue color which is hidden in the slide. This is going to be clear in your picture which I am going to send. Okay, darkest blue area that receives the highest rainfall region, that is Amazon River Basin, which is here. Amazon River Basin, this area. Okay. Now again, the third question, from which direction are the winds flowing towards Brazil? Which direction winds flowing towards Brazil? That is northeast and southeast. That is northeast and southeast. See here, this is the direction where the winds flows. Firstly, we can see from the eastern part, the arrow you can see very easily from here. Eastern part, the northeast and the southeast. Are you able to see here the northeast and the southeast? Okay. Now, the next question is, from which direction? Okay, what could be the reason behind that? What could be, this is a very important question, class. What could be the reason behind that? That is a Coriolis effect. What is Coriolis effect? Because 0 degree Celsius, where is it 0 degree Celsius? Because 0 degree Celsius, if the low temperature occurs, because any region which is facing sun rays directly perpendicular way, that receives very heavy sunlight, right? So due to the heavy sunlight, the low temperature zone arises there. That is called Coriolis effect. Okay, that region is called Coriolis effect. That is this is the reason why the Coriolis effect, because of the Coriolis effect, the low temperature in the southeast zone. Fifthly, what could be the obstruction, in which way this winds? What could be the obstruction, in which way? The obstruction is the escarpment act and obstruction. What is escarpment? What is escarpment here? Escarpment is the, if the highlands here, see, highlands, I have to erase that first. Highlands in the Brazilian highlands, in between here, we can see the obstruction because escarpment. What is the meaning of escarpment? Downhill region. Downhill region, after the obstruction of this region, the winds coming from the sea and the Brazilian highland is the biggest obstruction. That is why this area receives less rainfall. Okay, class? Okay. Now, the next question is the correlate this winds and rainfall. Sorry, which type of rainfall will occur because of these winds? Yes, this is related with the last year. See, if the two areas, if there, I have taught you in the last year that if in the southern part, coastal region, and in between the coastal region there is a mountain region as well. Here due to the mountain region, and here is the water body. So which kind of rainfall occur here, which I have taught you last year? Orographic rainfall. Very good. This is the answer of your question. Okay. Next is correlate this winds and rainfall. What is the correlation? Because of the 18 degree in the western part of Brazil, here are the great escarpment of the highlands. Because of the 18 degree, here you can see, because of the 18 degree escarpment in the highland, the winds which evaporates upside are moving. However, it moves up their water molecules that condensed there, and that turns heavy rain, that comes in a form of heavy rain and comes down in a form of rain. That heavy rain occurs here in this region because due to that region. Okay, now next question. Next question. First of all, I will erase this. Okay, now in this region, identify the rain shadow. In which part of the Brazil are the average temperature is low? 18 degrees Celsius, right? Class, 18 degrees Celsius is the average part of rainfall in the southern part of Brazil, that is Paragana and Periguna. This is 18 degree Celsius. This region we call Paragana and Periguna, southern part of the river basin. Okay, next question is the 9th question. Correlate these winds and rainfall. 25 millimeter is the maximum rainfall here. 25 milliliter northeastern of Brazil highland, which faint blue in color. This area 25 milliliter. This region receives minimum rainfall, and which is the faint blue color, right? Faint blue color, and less than 500 milliliter. This receives 500 milliliter, and the dark blue color receives 25 milliliter rainfall. Okay. Next question is, identify the rain shadow area in Brazil. In which part of the Brazil are the average temperature is low? Southern part of the Brazil, right? This part, southern part of the Brazil. Describe the climate and the characteristic. In the northern region near the equator, because of the sun falls in a perpendicular way, that's why there is a more rainfall. In the southern region there is a less rainfall because sun fall in a perpendicular way, so it receives more rainfall because air becomes less in velocity. When it's go up and it brings more rain here, and here it receives less rainfall, which is painted blue color. Okay, next question is, in which region do you find the higher temperature? Which region? 28 degree north region receives that, because that is near the equator, because sun falls in a perpendicular way. Describes the climate characteristics. Southern is a tropical Capricorn and temperate climate found in the southern region. And next one is, in which region do you find the higher temperature? Higher temperature, that is 28 north region. 28 degree north region receives higher temperature. And next question is, considering the latitudinal extent of Brazil, where will you find the temperature climate in Brazil? That is, consider the latitudinal. that is northeast of equator. That is northeast of equator. Find the temperature of the Brazil. Describes the winds blowing between 0 degree north and 5 degree south. 0 degree means if the temperature temperate is crossing from here. See, if it is crossing from here this way, so 0 degree here and 0 degree there, 0 degree north and 0 degree south, that receives very very low temperature zone because it is near to the equator. Okay, next, last question, describe the wind blowing. Which method has been used to show the distribution in the map? That is isopleth method and the chronopleth method that shows the rainfall one, and isopleth that shows the method of color shaded. Okay, now here comes the India's. Same here also. Which region gets more than 4,000 millimeter of rainfall? 4,000 millimeter of rainfall. Here is the answer. The Western Ghat and the eastern part of India receives 4,000 millimeter of rainfall. Priorly, we have learnt about Cherrapunji receives highest rainfall in India, but that is denied. Now, Mayosaram receives highest rainfall in India. This question is very important. It can be asked in your exam also. Which region receives highest rainfall in India? Okay. Next question. Identify the region with maximum and minimum temperature. Maximum temperature is the 20 degree north, which is here. Maximum temperature 20 degree north. It is not showing here because 20 degree so sorry. 20 degree north here. Okay, when I switch my pen here, so it is covered by this thing. Okay, 20 degree north here in the northern side of India here, and 29 degree in the western side, which is called Rajasthan here. Okay, and this one is the 20 degree north in the Kashmir region. Next question is, in which direction is the temperature increasing? Which direction is the temperature is increasing? That increases, wait, let me clear it. That increases from the north to south. South increase the temperature. See, you can see here that here receives the 20 degree, then 29 degree, then 30 degree, again the 23 degree. But after receiving the peninsular coastal region, it again decreases the temperature in the India. Next question is, in which the direction of temperature, identify the direction of the wind shown. What are they known as? What are they known as? Southwest to northwest, that is southwest monsoon wind. This wind is called southwest monsoon wind. This wind is called southwest monsoon wind. Okay. Next question is, in which wind is responsible for the rainfall? Which wind is responsible for the rainfall? The same wind, southwest monsoon wind. Okay. Next is, Some part of the Rajasthan is under desert. What could be the reason for it? What could be the reason of it? Why Rajasthan receives heavy sun here? Due to the Aravalli mountain in Rajasthan, whatever the creates cloud from the western part, whatever creates the western coastal region, whatever clouds contain here, due to the Aravalli mountain, it stopped here and it goes in the northern part. So, due to this obstruction, the Aravalli mountain, it falls in this region and it remains desert region here. Okay. Okay. Next question is, draw the main parallel of latitude passing through India which affects its climate. What is the question? Draw the main parallel of latitude passing through India which affects its climate. Okay. Latitudinal passing through India, that is Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer is passing through India. Okay. Now next question is, in which part of peninsular India are semi-arid climate condition? Which part of India semi-arid climate condition? Due to the Western Ghat, this region. Due to the Western Ghat, because it is rain shadow region here, this region receives less rainfall. Due to the western disturbance which is occurring now at present, this region receives more rainfall than this region. So this region is called semi-arid region. Understood, class? I am going to take your all the answers after